Day 6 of adding a 99 rated player to Wolves until they win every game in the Premier League. Today we're adding Anthony to the squad, which means I'm changing the formation to fit everyone in. By game 10, we're top and unbeaten. Surely we don't bottle it. Do you mind? By game 20, we're still top, quite comfortably too. Game 30, or should I say 31, we're still top, and maybe we can finally win the league with Wolves. And we do. Finally, the challenge is over. Wait, what's that? Until they win every game in the Premier League.